In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an org chart in Lucidchart. Whether you're organizing your team, planning the company structure, or simply visualizing how roles fit together within your organization, creating an organizational chart can be an invaluable tool. And what's great is that Lucidchart makes this process not only easy, but also intuitive. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Lucidchart's website. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, take a moment to sign up. It's straightforward, and Lucidchart will guide you through the process. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on Lucidchart's home screen. This is essentially your dashboard, where a multitude of options are available for various kinds of projects. However, let's focus on our mission, which is to create an org chart. Direct your attention to the plus New button. Clicking on this will bring up a selection of options for new documents. From this list, you'll want to choose Lucidchart. This option is your gateway to launching a new project, specifically an org chart for our purposes today. Next, you'll find yourself on the template selection page. This area is filled with a variety of templates to help you get started. What you want to do now is click on Create from Template. Lucidchart boasts an extensive library of pre-designed templates, and using these can be crucial for quickly developing a polished organizational chart. Right now, it's all about narrowing down your options, and the best way to do that is to head over to the search bar and type in org chart. Once you've done that, Lucidchart will present you with several organizational chart templates to choose from. Each template is designed with different aspects of organizational structure in mind, so feel free to explore. Have a look, browse through these options, and reflect on which one aligns best with your objectives. When you've made your decision, all you need to do is click on the template that you feel best fits your needs. After selecting your preferred template, you'll be prompted to click Use to open it in the Lucidchart editor. At this point, you're ready to start editing your organizational chart. This is where the magic happens. It's time to customize the chart to reflect your actual team or planned structure. You can edit names, add positions, and adjust the layout according to your specific needs. Spend some time experimenting with the features, move blocks around, resize them, or even change the colors to make the chart truly your own. The flexibility here is quite impressive, allowing you to personalize your chart seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully created an organizational chart in Lucidchart. The intuitive interface and variety of templates really help make the entire process efficient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!